Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I want to go over and show you on Amazon the construction activity books niche. So if you're into low and no content books, this video is for you. And if you may be have been doing publishing on Amazon KDP for a while now, you may be doing just no content books, which is just like notebooks and journals. And you can be uploading several of those at once, and you may be selling a couple of those per month. This product called Construction Activity Book, and with this you're going to get 70 vector quality done for you construction activity book pages. But when you dive into the low content market, which is activity books and coloring books and educational books, in this case, the construction activity books for kids 2 to 4, and this is a searched for keyword in Amazon, you get much less competition because these books take a lot more effort to create, and they take more time and more resources to put together. And so you're going to have less competition because of the effort that it does take to create these books. So it is really a good idea to, don't just do all no content books, but also do low content books as well. And you can publish activity books. Coloring books are great right now. They're selling really, really well. And I've provided a lot of resources on my channel and training materials, training YouTube videos on how to create coloring books and get those up and running. In this case, it's a little bit different of a low content book. It's an activity type book. So kids are going to open these up, and there might be some coloring pages. There might be some connect the dots, tracing type pages. There might be some letter helping with writing and different things like that. So it can keep the student or the child engaged while they're reading doing the book. So anyway, so we go over here to Amazon, we type in construction activity books for kids 2 to 4. And then what I like to do, you can see there's about 1,000 results. I'm going to come down here and select just paperback, because the paperback is what we're really looking for, what we can publish. Now notice when we do that, just paperback, we're only competing with 800 other books, 800 other books in this niche for this keyword. And so we can scroll through here using my tool over here. We can see that they have good BSRs. That top ranking book, it's a sponsored ad, and this is a sponsored ad as well. Well, our first organic, it's a sticker type book that has to do with the vehicles and construction vehicles like tractors and dump trucks and backhoes and all those good things. But you can see that this first organic ranking is in fact 2000. So it's ranked 2000, and I want to see a book that's exactly what I'm going to create with this. So we've got 6,000 here. So I really like these BSRs. Anything under 100 I'm excited about. 100,000 BSRs I'm excited about. But we come down here, here's a bestseller. This bestseller has 909 reviews, and it's ranked 608. And it's a trucks, planes, and cars coloring book. Cars coloring book for kids. And so what I like to look at here's one that's it's a Paw Patrol, so we couldn't really replicate this book, but they're not even ranking as high as that one. And that's a name brand, very popular show for kids. But you can see that once we really look through here's one that got really very specific with dinosaurs and construction activity books, and they're ranked 16,000. But if you notice something right here, when we're looking at this niche, there really isn't a whole lot of very relevant books that are serving this market, right? Other than this one is exactly what it's a coloring book. So this is a coloring book, and what we want to create is a coloring book plus activity book. So it'll be all in one. Now, so that's what I like to look for too, is that we already know that even if these were all relevant, we know we could get into this because we're still at low competition here. I like that. I like all the BSRs are under 100,000, and most of them are under 10,000, which is really good. Or there's a 51,000 right there, but they're really good BSRs. So we've already cross-checked, and we're qualifying this as a good niche. So when we look at this book here, it's not even 100% what we're going for, because this is just all coloring book, but what we want to go for is we want to create an activity book that for the right kids will actually be even more fun than just coloring pages. So what I like to do is, 608. Imagine having the 608, your book ranked 608, which is possible. I like to come over to this tool over here, that Jungle Scout. It's an estimator. We can type in 608 sales or 608 BSR, and then we can select United States, where I'm from, in the Amazon product category, which we will select books, and then I will push calculate sales. So if this is getting 656 sales per month, if we take out our calculator and give or take activity books, I have some books that are selling right now that I'm making over $3 per sale on. So I've got them listed at $8.99 and I'm making sales on them. So I make over $3 per sale, but let's just take an average of low content books, at least $2. And that's kind of being on the low side, but let's say we're taking $2 per sale that you're going to profit, and we multiply that by 656. You're looking at this book is making this person a minimum of $1,312 per month from one book. So if you do it right, that's how much money you can make from one book. So I just wanted to tell you about that niche. It's a great niche. And if you want to get in that niche quickly, and because creating drawings for those for these types of books can be very difficult. But a product that just came out today is this product called Construction Activity Book. And with this, you're going to get 70 vector quality done for you construction activity book pages. And you can choose to publish this, the coloring books, the activity books, and you can publish these on Etsy and Amazon and different places. But what you're going to get 25 vector construction pages, and they're PNG transparent files. You get 25 like dot to dot files, kind of like a connect to the dot type thing. And they're all 8.5 by 11, so large print, and they're ready to go. So we can cruise through here. It's kind of like a sales page, but this is called Construction Activity Kit, and you get 5 modules, comprises of 5 modules. And module 1, and you can upload these. See, you can upload them to Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, etc. And so these are the types of book coloring pages you're going to get from this 2 to maybe 6 years old range. You get all the different tractor types, truck types, dump trucks, and cranes and forklifts, and all the good stuff, right? Module 2, and then you're also going to get 25 dot to dot construction pages. And so it tells you a number, and then you connect the dots, and you actually get to draw the outline of the picture, which is good. It's another fun activity for kids. And then you get 20 dot names construction. So this is great for 2 to 4, 5, 6 year olds to practice writing. So they're going to trace right here, forklift. And so these are really good activity pages, and you just keep rolling down. And then they're also going to give you some fun mazes, some niche based mazes right here. And you're going to get 10 of those mazes as well. So with all these materials, you can create, what I would do is create the interior and include all this, make this a really ultimate, awesome construction book, activity book. And then you could, start off creating 25 covers, create a bunch of different covers and change up your descriptions and change up your tags, use different ones in every single listing, because you never know which listing combination of keywords and all the tags and the description and title and subtitle, all that, change it up and change up the cover for your book, and just, do it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 times. That's getting your more of a chance to get out there and sell your book. And you never know, I would say if you posted 25, there might be 1 or 2 winners that people will actually like the cover, and just everything comes together and works. So that's what's been working for me. And so yeah, this is great. And then you'll also get 2 templates that you can change out for your coloring book that you create, right? And so this is available. And if you want to get into this niche quickly, then this pack is extremely cheap, and it'll get you all the stuff you need to create your book quickly. You could be up and running really quickly with this pack. If you do decide to pick this pack up, of course, I'm going to throw in some amazing bonuses and make this twice as good for you. You know that I'm going to do that. You know that I take care of you on this channel. I want you to have really good resources, and I want to steer you in the right direction, recommend great products to you, and also give you amazing bonuses that are going to add to this. So if you do pick up this by clicking the link in the description, if you do pick this up and you want the construction book activity kit, you're going to get these exclusive built for you bonuses from me, David, from Teach Me Money Methods. And you'll get this page right here. You'll get this right after you make the purchase. You'll have access to this in the back end, and you'll just click this download all bonuses here button, and you will have access to all these. Let me go through the bonuses real quick. Bonus number 1, you will get 10 custom quad mazes for your activity book. So you'll get 10 of these that are these really cool custom mazes that I just created, which is great. You can add those to the pack as well. Then you can go bonus number 2 is the 10 custom square mazes. So you got all these. And then bonus number 3, I'm throwing in star mazes, which is really cool. Just different shapes. The maze is just a different shape than just the standard circle or square, right? Bonus number 4, this is really cool. These new double mazes that we're coming out with. And so you have this like square maze right here that turns into a couple bridges. They're really cool because you take a path and then you go down this path and that's the right one. But when you're on this bridge here, it doesn't work. Pretty cool stuff. You're trying to get across one of those bridges to get to the end. I really like those double mazes. They're great. I'm also going to throw in bonus number 5, a 100-page comic book template for your activity books. You could throw, you could create custom activity books. You could throw in like 5 or 10 pages that are comic book related, or you could make you could niche down and do comic books for adults, comic books for kids, and you can use this template as well. So, and then bonus number 6, this one is an adult activity book bonus. This is, you're going to get a 30-page custom word search book template for your activities. And it's also going to include the solutions that you can put in the back of the book. Now, this is great because you can put a page in between each one. And so this will, and then once you put the solutions in there, you're looking at a 70+ page book that you've created, and you can, it can be an adult word search book. Again, this is an interior. These are in full interiors for you to create activity books for. This one in particular would be an adult word search activity book. But the sky's the limit. Just create a bunch more covers and see which one sells. Bonus number 7, you're going to get that vendor bonus with the 2 templates of the cover for your activity book as well. So if you pick this up, click the link in the description below if you're interested. Don't know what the price is. I believe it's around $15 for the launch, and it will continue to increase as the hours or days go by. The cost of this product will increase. So if you're interested in this, click that link and check it out. Try to pick it up as quick as you can so you pay less for it. Again, these bonuses are exclusively built for you by me. And you will get access to this page, and you will be able to click this button and download all of these bonuses, the 6 bonuses that I've created for you. And this will allow you to add more value and more more pages to your activity books and make them bigger, offer more value. And then you'll also be able to mix and match, put different packs together and create different interiors. So then you have more supply of interiors to do this. So again, this is a winning niche construction activity book. Right now it's a low competition niche, and it's a high profit niche. You can make $2 to $3 per book sale on this. And this is just kind of like a pack to get you started. Again, you can take these also and double your profits with it by posting your book, publishing it on Amazon KDP, but then also taking the pages and perhaps putting them on your Etsy account, selling each page by a single amount for maybe $1 each. Or you can put the book together and sell the book for maybe $6 to $10 on Etsy as a digital download as well. So the sky's the limit. And I hope you enjoy this. Click the link in the description if you're interested. Until next time, thank you. Take care.